डायोसेशन शिक्षण सोसायटीन बुधवारा शिक्षण मळार बऱ्या गुणांनी उत्तीर्ण जाल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचो भोवमान बिशप फादर फिलिप नेरी फेरा हांच्या हस्तुकी केलो. ह्या वेळार वेगवेगळ्यो सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी आयोजित केल्ल्यो. RDX गुवाहाटी पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
And the purpose of this annual felicitation function is on one side to appreciate the achievements of our young students so that this function can work as a further incentive for them to do still better, to achieve higher levels of excellence. But it's also meant to work as an encouragement for others, not only for the students to excel, but for all of us who are responsible for the education of our young ones, to create an environment that is conducive for all our students to achieve greater levels of excellence. I want to congratulate and appreciate the efforts of all our teaching, non-teaching staff that has created an environment for these young students to shine, to achieve excellence, for helping DSC to achieve these goals of education and to create this environment where our young people can shine and achieve excellence.